The Mighty Turkish Army. The Turkish Armed Forces, TAF, are the military forces of the Republic of Turkey. They consist of the General Staff, the Land Forces, the Naval Forces and the Air Forces. The current Chief of the General Staff is General Yaşar Güler. The TAF has a history of more than 2,000 years, dating back to the ancient Turkic peoples and the Ottoman Empire. They have participated in many wars and conflicts, such as the Korean War, the Cyprus Dispute, the Kurdish-Turkish conflict and the Syrian Civil War. The TAF is also involved in various international missions and alliances, such as NATO, EU Battle Group, on peacekeeping and counter-terrorism operations 1. The TAF has a large and diverse arsenal of weapons and equipment, including tanks, armored vehicles, artillery, rockets, missiles, helicopters, fighter jets, submarines, and ships. Some of the equipment is domestically produced by Turkish defense companies, such as Aselsan, Roketsan, TAI and Baykar. Some of the equipment is imported from foreign suppliers, such as Germany, Pakistan, Russia, Ukraine and the United States. The TAF also has a well-trained and professional personnel force of about 425,000 active and 200,000 reserve soldiers. The TAF uses a rank system similar to that of NATO countries, with ranks ranging from Private, to Mareşal, General of the Army or Fleet Admiral. The TAF is regarded as one of the most powerful and influential military forces in the region and the world. Turkish Defense Companies. Turkish defense companies are the firms that produce and supply various weapons, equipment and services for the Turkish Armed Forces and other customers. They are part of the defense industry of Turkey, which has a long history dating back to the Ottoman Empire and has developed significantly in recent decades. The Turkish defense industry is able to manufacture national and local products, and has a wide-ranging research and development program among which the main supporting organization is TÜBİTAK. Some of the leading Turkish defense companies are Aselsan, the largest defense electronics company in Turkey, producing communication systems, radar systems, electronic warfare systems. It also covers electro-optic systems, navigation systems, avionics systems, weapon systems, and more. Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, the main aerospace and aviation company in Turkey, producing aircraft, helicopters, satellites, unmanned aerial vehicles, simulators and more. BMC, a major automotive company in Turkey, producing military vehicles, tactical vehicles, armored vehicles, engines and more. 1. Roketsan, a prominent rocket and missile company in Turkey, producing ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, anti-tank missiles, air defense missiles, artillery rockets and more. Defense Technologies Engineering and Trade Incorporated. STM, a leading engineering and consultancy company in Turkey, providing solutions for naval platforms, cybersecurity, autonomous systems, satellite systems and more. 1. FNSS, a joint venture between Turkish Neural Holding and British Bay Systems, producing armored combat vehicles, amphibious vehicles, turrets and more. Havelsan, a prominent software and systems company in Turkey, producing command and control systems, simulation systems, training systems, cybersecurity systems and more. According to a report by Defense News, 7 Turkish defense companies were listed among the world's top 100 defense companies in 2020 based on their revenues. They are Aselsan, 48, TAI, 53rd, BMC, 89th, Roketsan, 91st, STM, 92nd, FNSS, 98th, and Havelsan, 99th. These are just some of the main prospects of a wide range of Turkish industry capacity and strength.